Hey guys, Jim here from Jim's Tech. In my last video that I had made on the Nvidia Shield Remote showing you how to replace the batteries, I did receive a comment saying that basically all I showed was how to access the batteries and I didn't actually go through with showing you how to replace the batteries. So I thought, you know what? Yeah, the person was correct, so what I'll do is I'll make another video. In order to replace the batteries in the remote, what you'll need, Nvidia Shield Remote, two CR2032 batteries to replace the ones that are inside the remote, and obviously something to get the batteries out. You can use a pen, SIM ejection tool, toothpick, basically anything you can use to push out that little pin in here. So all you need to do with the pen, push it in and it'll pull out. So now from here you'll see that there are these two little tabs. What you do is put one thumb on the tab and then the batteries will pop out. Same with the other one, battery pops out. And as you can see, it's even got a little picture on here showing you step 1 and 2 on how to reinstall the batteries. So we'll go ahead and pull out the new batteries. Okay, so once you get the new batteries out of the packaging, once again, as per the picture up here, slide the battery in, push down, it'll click into place. Same with the other one, slide the battery in underneath the tab here, push down, clicks into place. Once that's done, slide it in until you hear a click, and that's it. That's how you replace the batteries on the Nvidia Shield 2017 model remote. Hope the video was helpful. If it was, please give a thumbs up. Also feel free to subscribe as I will be posting more videos in the future. Thank you.